Hey, what's going on? I am Jack and this is Log Cabin Firewood. We left off last week where we were needing stone put in the level pad for the shed. We got that done with the help of an awesome friend. Check this out. Up. Go up a little bit. Little bit more up. Now take it forward. Up. Well, we got some stone in this pad finally. It is Monday, and my good buddy Brad brought it to us.
What's up, everybody? We had some rain this morning, but it's a good afternoon. Sun came out and it's not too hot, so we're doing some manual labor here to get Jack squared away.
Yeah, definitely perfect weather for this. I appreciate your help, man. Thank you so much.
You help me very often, so if I can give you a hand with something, I figured, go get the stone, but I can get a truck from work and drive it, so try to save you a little bit of money there anyway.
That saved me a bunch of trips with the dump trailer too, because I don't think I could have hauled 12 ton on my trailer. All right, well, we're gonna set you back up on time lapse and keep raking this out. Well, I think we're gonna have a little bit extra stone. Pretty good high spot there in the middle, but I got the sides about an inch high all the way around. I went and rented a plate tamper from Home Depot. I have 2 hours to get that thing back, or they charge me for a day, so let's go. But stone is in there. The puppies and Miss T are loving it. It was 12 ton of stone and I had 8 wheelbarrows heavy. I didn't do too bad on my math. It's been a long time since I've measured quantities of stone, concrete, anything like that. We also got a new well drilled. So this was the old one here. And this is the one that failed. It had the galvanized pipe and the galvanized screen failed. We have since drilled a new one, and this is a Schedule 40 PVC pipe. We hit good water at 77 feet for this one. It is not tied into the house yet. Next week they're going to do that. So we will end up abandoning this one. This one here was 128 feet, and they hit good water. And then that one we hit good water at 77. We proposed we were going to hit water at 130. So I ended up saving a couple $1,000 hitting water at 77 feet. Thank you. A couple other updates. The shed is now ready, but because I work for a living, I have to wait until next week, Friday. So I'll take video of that on next week's video. But yeah, not much going on here this week. I had a lot going on with work. The well guys were here. They totally messed up my yard. We're going to have to do a lot of grading. We might have more exciting things coming on here too. I got a guy coming over here now to give me a quote for a central boiler. We're going to talk about how we can hook it up, some of the different options available for those. I really think those are really cool systems. I think it would help us out a lot with getting the mess out of the home and also being able to heat our water. You know, 6 months, 7 months out of the year, we won't pay a hot water bill. We also got some new awesome things here. Check this out. We got new log cabin firewood stickers. So make sure you email me if you guys want some and I'll send them out to you. Paul Bunyan Show is also a few weeks away, October 6th, 7th, and 8th. Are you going? Because we're going. I'm going to be there with these guys. I'm going to be there with Brad from Firewood at the Furnace, Dan from Back 40, a bunch of other people. Those are just the first ones I could think of off the top of my head. But if you're there, make sure you come find me. I'll probably have a camouflage book bag on, and I'll probably be wearing a Easton-made hat. I'll have stickers. I'd love to meet you guys. Come find me. But that's going to be it. Thanks, guys. I hope you all have an awesome week. Come on back next Saturday, 6:30 a.m., and we're going to do this all over again. And I still have new toys I got to show you. Didn't get to that this week yet, though, either. Take it easy, guys. Thanks.